In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in PDFgear. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Edit tab up top, and of course, you have a bunch of different options via which you can edit your PDF. Now, the first one is you can edit text, so if I click on that, as you can see, it's going to basically enter the editing mode, where I can basically modify any text on my screen. So here, these different text boxes are going to kind of get borders over here, like rectangles. You can click inside these, and you can change whatever you want. You can start typing, you can basically change different words. You could go and delete them. You could go and add anything you want. That's basically the first way you can edit it. And of course, like the way you guys are going to be editing this the most. Now, after you've done, click on Exit Editing. And here it's going to say, do you want to keep the change? I'm going to click on Yes. And there we go. The change has been kept. Now, the second thing you can do is actually edit object. So you can click on that as well. And then over here, as you can see, it's going to allow you to edit different objects here as well. So right now, it's basically allowing me to edit specific objects, which in this case is basically just specific letters, as you can see. And of course, you can then edit that and do whatever you want with that. And yeah, it's honestly quite convenient. So here you also have the option to add text, which will allow you to basically add text into a PDF. So you could just click anywhere and just start typing your text here like that. And that's of course going to do it. You could add images, which is going to allow you to basically select an image, and you can just go ahead and click on it, click on open, and it's going to insert the image wherever you click here, etc. Okay, so that's basically the basics of how we can edit a PDF in PDFgear. Everything is found inside the Edit tab up top, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.